What's up? What's up? How are you guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are right now. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, guys, we will discuss just more informations related the concept of the flow element and what is the types and applications and how you apply in your industry. So just give an information, just basic information, so that we can understand exactly what is the flow elements. Okay, shall we start? So this introduction, guys, flow elements, types of flow elements, principle of operation, applications, industry, or recent innovations in the future. So that will be our topic today. So introductions. So the definition of the flow elements, guys. Definition of flow elements is the instrument designed to measure and regulate the direct flow of fluids within the system. Okay. So this is the role of the fluid. So it's essential is the managing of the valve, pipes, and etc. So importance of the fluid dynamic and engineering is critical role to accurate flow of measurement. So precise flow measurement ensures system efficiency and maintains safety standard fluids dynamic application. So collection of data applications during the engineering, design, operation, and system optimization. So this is how the flow element data collections. So this is the overview of the applications. For example, water supply monitoring, oil and gas, HVAC system, power generation. And some of you, if you don't have any experience in oil and gas industry, and this is also an idea and good informations that it's involved in the oil and gas industry. And for water supply, so flow element ensure accurate measurement and control of water distribution and any municipalities and industrial system. For oil and gas, guys, this is a very uh, commonly used in our oil and gas industry. So it's critical monitoring of fluid movements and pipeline, and then refinery process with the oil and gas industry for HVAC system. If you are involved in the HVAC, you have also have flow elements to regulate airflow and fluid circulations and heating ventilation, part of the air conditioning system as well. So power generation, fluid flow measurement is essential for efficient operation and safety in thermal hydroelectric power. So this is the key applications of our flow element. So what are the types of flow elements? So they have a various types of flow elements. You have orifice, venturi tube, and either nozzles. Okay, nozzle. So this is our types of flow element. Basically, in oil and gas industry, guys, we are using orifice plate, and then sometimes we're doing a venturi tube. So how about the secondary flow element? So the secondary flow elements that measures a sensor as a sensor. So device to interpret signal as well, primary element. Okay, and then this is also accuracy of our measurement. So this is the very crucial in our oil and gas industry. So we need accuracy. So comparison of accuracy and suitability. So varied accuracy level. So suitability of fluids, installation requirements. These are three factors that accuracy is important. So principle of operations. So what is the principle of operations? In these sections, guys, we can understand the operational. Okay. So basic why basic of fluids flow measurement? So flow measurement based on the fluid's dynamic, including velocity, pressure, guys, and continuity and equations would help translate. So, okay, pressure relationship uh, and continuity equation. So, pressure differential principle. This is the flow restriction orifice plate function, Venturi tube principle. This is the principles of the flow element. So of course, we have a calibration and maintenance accuracy of our equipment, devices, etc. So this is very important how to calibrate. So you need consistent calibrations to maintain the measurement accuracy to enhance the equipment performance. Okay, maintenance and also avoiding errors in downtime. So during how many years, how many months that you are using, that's part of the as part of the periodic maintenance during the operations activities. Okay, how about the applications in industry, guys? Applications. So to apply, we can use in water treatment supply, flow monitoring importance, regulating water distribution, ensuring quality compliance. This is the important of our flow element. So now we are going to implementations of oil and gas industry, importance of flow elements, accurate and measurement essential to ensure efficient hydrocarbon, enhance safety monitoring, optimizing production. So flow measurement in HVAC and power plant. So this is our HVAC. You can see here. Okay, flow measurement is important. Accurate flow for critical control HVAC system. So any error that's going to be that's causing of our HVAC low circulations. That's why we have a flow element to enhance or to ensure the temperature, and we can see all of the issues related of our system. So temperature regulation. So power plant cooling system flow element helps to maintain cooling water. Okay, so that is the accuracy. So we need the accurate flow data and essential in HVAC system and power plant for steam and cooling system management. So how about the recent innovation and future trends? So this can be applied everything such to emerge our technology to the transformations to the future related the flow elements. So that's the most important to highlight all the futures and innovations since we are now in AI, artificial intelligence. So emerges smart flow elements and integration. So real-time monitoring, data analysis, remote control automation. So that's the key important. So we're just only controlling by remotely. By now we have an automations activities and especially oil and gas industry. We are now a lot of automations that introduced to the company. So that's the important thing. So to smart flow and efficiency, improving effective and also predictive maintenance as well. So advanced materials and manufacturing enhance material durability and advanced manufacturing techniques. So the materials is very important to enhance and to do to durability of the performance of our devices or equipment, and that can be allow and to precise and cost effective flow element requirements to our industry. So potential impact of future technology. So that's AI-driven flow measurement, enhanced sensor integrations, automations in fluid management. So that is our for our future development. Mainly includes AI-driven now, so measurement to enhance sensor integrations for further revolutionization fluid management. That's the key. So for the conclusions, importance of flow elements, understand types and principles, embracing innovation. Of course, the company always searching and digging with the innovations of the project. So that's why so a lot of companies right now they're involving also artificial intelligence, AI, and then for example you do the inspections using by drone, uh, using any any artificial intelligence that involving to the project as well. So that's the important thing. All right, so just a very quick informations about the flow element and for the how you improve and what is the types and principles and innovations of the flow element. So see you guys. Bye bye.